All right, here we are. It's Pat from EAS Landscaping. We are in East Falls, small little backyard. Going to replace this patio, former patio, with some pavers and some oblong pavers. I don't know what the homeowner started on them. We're going to clean everything out. We're going to take away the variegated euonymus over there and the hydrangea and fill this with sod, so it'll look really nice in the end, nice and pristine. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're working in here trying to get this hydrangea out, and we're noticing the soil. Oh, look, a diamond. No, I was just noticing stuff. See a lot of pebbles in here. So I have to look at that soil. I think that should be fine for sod. We're trimming this guy down so we can take it out. So this guy we don't really need to trim out. It might not be a bad idea, so we have easier thing to work with. Rip these guys out, rip the base out, put the soil in, lay the sod. All right, so got the hydrangea out. It wasn't too bad. It's a combination of trenching shovel, the pickaxe, and a shovel. So that's out. Now we're working on the guy in the corner. A little bit harder because it's surrounded by brick and other stuff. So a little tougher, but Eddie's a tough guy. He's gonna get it. He's gonna win this round. Yep. Keep your chin tucked, Eddie. Watch out for those counter punches.
Yeah.
Right, jab, jab, and circle.
Yeah.
Jab and circle. All right, that is the root we got out. Eddie beat it up.
Oh boy.
Knocked it down a couple times. Good straight hard punches, just kicked its ass, and then I was able to come in and help him, but that was crazy. So Eddie got that out. Now we're clear to those things, so we're going to fill that back in with some of this sandy dirt, because we don't need to go that deep with the sod. And we'll continue to clear out. Probably need to get an auger. If anybody knows what I should use, put it in the comments, please. To be continued. Hard work. All right, we're kind of halfway through with the soil. All right, so we're digging here, trying to put some sod in where a former patio was. So we're trying to get down to the landscape fabric to a point. So we're going down about 5 inches. We have plenty of topsoil to cover it up with. So once we get the landscape fabric out and the crush and run and a little bit of sand, put the topsoil in, compact it a little bit, and put the sod down. All right, so that's the fabric. Kind of pulls up, rolls up like you would expect, and underneath that is pretty good soil, kind of clay. Hasn't seen the light of day in a long time, so I keep working. Right, we did enough for now. We got to move on to another thing. So tomorrow we're going to bring the sod back, clear out the rest of this crush and run. We almost got all of it, and put the soil down, and we should be good to go. So stay tuned. Right, here we are in the middle, laying down the topsoil, getting a nice layer on top. Going to be about 3 to 5 inches, and then we'll put the fescue blend down. Should look really nice. Stay tuned. Coming down the home stretch here. Going to lay this side momentarily. Still trying to grade this out to slope down. Getting super close. Going to start to roll out the sod. Should be pretty quick once we get going. So getting rid of the old stones. Left a few stones underneath. They're well like 4 or 5 inches, so I'm not going to bother the sod, so stay tuned. All right, there's the beginning. You can taste it. Still cleaning. We're getting there. All right, there's the finished product. Had to come back. My phone died, but looks really good for the client. Got a little area around the tree over there. Plenty of water, rain today. We're gonna have a nice little lawn for the dog and the kids. So EAS Landscaping, EASlandscaping.com in the Philly area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate.